access labels. So basically, there are five type of access label in Swift: open, public, internal, private, and private. Firstly, what are the access labels and why they use? So as mentioned from top, access control restrict access to part of your code from code in other source file and modules. This feature enable you to hide the implementation detail of your code and to specify preferred interface so that code can be accessed and used. So basically, we can control the access, like their names are access control. We can control the access of functions and variables of a class, means the properties and the method of a class. So basically, why these use? So if you write any class, if there will be some properties you did not, which you want to hide from the another person which want to use this class. So you need to control their access. You do not want anyone can access and modify this file. Like some configuration class. You have some configuration class which will be configure your private data or anything. So if anyone can change it, then it will be corrupt. It will make a data corrupt. So to make this, we can use this. So here we going to learn about these. So as mentioned, open, public, internal, file, private, and private. They are the five access levels, and it are less restriction to more restriction. So private are the most restricted level. So we go with most restriction to less. So firstly, we know about the private. So we learn it with the code. Like we have a class student. We have variable name, where age, we have init, name, age. We have initialize the values with the name is the value name and age with the value age. Now we create an outside the class. We create an instance student. Name now like suggest think about a school. If we create a school or we create a database which will be store the detail of all the students. So we do not want anyone modify the detail of a student. So these, but in this case, anyone can access from any their code and can change the value. So which will corrupt all the data. Now we print the main. You can say it's print Smith. So what can we do to save product from itself? So we can make an access level private. So you can see it can't be accessed outside the class. So its scope is only within the class. So now we can't use it like that. If we want to print the name, we need to write a function within the class print name and name. So we can use this. You can see. So private access level is the most restricted level. You can restrict it within only class itself, class or structure. So more less restrictive is file private. So same like private, it will be private, but as a name says for file. So we can use we can use the properties or methods, file private properties and methods within the file. So if file have one, two class or three class or extensions, we can access the variables anywhere within the file. In private, we can access within the class, but file private is more uh, less restrictive. So it will we can access it within the file. The file can have two class, three class, and we can access it. Now we have internal. Internal can be accessed anywhere in module. So if we create a project, so we can access uh, the internal within the project anywhere. More more less restrictive is a public. In public, we can access it within module and outside the module also. Like if you create any SDK, any library, or anyone import this library in your code. Like we have imported UI kit. UI kit. So we can access all the functional variable of UI kit which are public within our code here now because we import this. But we can't access the internal private and file private method of or classes of UI kit here. So more and open is really open. You can access it anywhere within module, outside module, anywhere, or you can also inherit it anywhere. Default access level. If you did not mention any access level, then by default it will be internal. So in our code, we are not maintaining any access level, it will be internal. So we can access within project itself. So this is all about access level.